Hello guys and welcome to DIY Craftopedia. This is Sanatan and I'm back with another candle making video just as I promised. So you can see this candle has got the feel of a cotton candy which we have eaten in our childhood. So let's get into it. First of course we need to melt wax. To do that we are going to keep the wax pot in a vessel containing water, and that vessel would be on a non-gas burner, for example the induction stove which I am using. Now that the wax has melted, remove it, place it on a wet cloth, take a spoon and start mixing it until you get a creamy texture. Now you need to take a wax crayon of the choice of your color. I would recommend a very light color. You need to take a cutter and cut a few pieces of crayon and put it in the wax and start mixing again. Now take the mold and fill it with spoonfuls of wax. Ensure that you have attached the wick in the mold before you do it, and also make sure that there aren't any air bubbles in the mold while you are filling the wax. Tap the mold once or twice to ensure that the wax gets evenly spread into the mold. Fill the remaining part of the mold in the same way, but by using a darker color like pink, which I have chosen. After you remove the candle from the mold after 12 hours for hardening, this is what you get. In case you find any difficulty while removing the candle from the mold, all you need to do is put the mold in a boiling water and then slowly pull out the candle. Hope you liked the idea. If you did, like and share the video. In case you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.